Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima radiator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot coolant. You'll need a drain pan, pliers, and a new radiator. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother and safer. Let's get started with the draining process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain cock. Open the drain cock and let all the coolant empty out. This step is crucial for a clean workspace. Once drained, use your pliers to carefully loosen and remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Be prepared for any residual drips. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after tackling car repairs, who wants to clean the house? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the hoses off, it's time to remove the old radiator. First, disconnect any electrical connectors leading to the radiator fan assembly. Next, unbolt the fan shroud and gently lift the entire fan assembly out of the way. Finally, locate and remove the mounting bolts or clips that hold the radiator in its position. Take your time to avoid damaging surrounding components. Now for the exciting part, installing your new radiator. Carefully lower the new radiator into its designated mounting location, ensuring it sits properly. Reconnect all the hoses, electrical connectors, and the fan assembly, making sure everything is secure. Finally, refill your system with the correct type and amount of new coolant. Remember to bleed any air from the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.